There are many options for adjusting your recurring events interval. Let's tweak some settings and see how those changes play out over time. So go to your Events tab, which is here in your dashboard, and then we're going to click on the Timeline option here. This will allow us to see all the instances of our recurring event. Okay, and we'll go ahead and collapse this just so we can see more of these events over time. And now let's edit our event itself. You can see there's an Edit button here, and any one of these edit buttons and any one of these instances will take you to the same settings for your recurring event. So for fun, let's just say, oh, I'm going to edit this guy right here. All right, so this brings us to our single recurring event. And we see, at first here we see our event details. I'm going to click on this and just collapse it so we can look at our date time settings. And down here are our settings for our recurring event. So if you go down here, you see we've got Saturday. But I can click on any of these other days as well. So let's add Fridays, Wednesdays, and Mondays. Now this event will recur on every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday throughout the year. To take a look and see what this is like, click on the Publish button here to check it out on your timeline. You'll see, starting on July 2nd, we now have events on Saturday, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and again Saturday, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, all throughout the year. All right, let's set this back to being just on Saturday. Now let's play with our repeating interval. So by default, we've got weekly, and it repeats every 1 week. But let's say we wanted this event to repeat every 3 weeks. So I go up here, click on 3. Now if I publish this event, you will see, starting on July 2nd, this event is going to repeat every 3 weeks. It goes to July 23rd, then August 13th, September 3rd, so on and so on. All right, let's set our interval here, or repeats, back to the default, weekly, every 1 week. And then let's switch from weekly, clicking here, to monthly. You'll notice that our repeat by options change to day of the month, or we have the option of day of the week. What day of the month means is that I've chosen, in this case, July 2nd, and I want this event to always be on the 2nd of every month. You see our event is now on July 2nd, August 2nd, September 2nd, and so on. Day of the week says I want it to always be on the first Saturday or the second Saturday or whatever day I pick. The event is now on Saturday, July 2nd, Saturday, August 6th, Saturday, September 3rd, the first Saturday of every month. Our last set of options allows us to determine how our recurring events end or stop being displayed on the timeline here under recurring ends. Let's change this back to weekly, every week on Saturday, just easier to see on the timeline. By default, the recurring ends option is set to never, so it goes on for infinity. But let's say we want it to stop after a number of occurrences. So it's going to be every Saturday for the next 6 weeks. Our event now, starting on July 2nd, will only repeat 6 times. As you can see here, we've got the 2nd, 9th, 16th, 23rd, 30th, and ending on August 6th. Lastly, we can tell our recurring event to end on a specific date. So I go down here and I click on date, and then I can pick when I want it to end. This is a great option for fields that have summer-only games, or there's a series of games that only run at a specific time of year. I can say I only want this game to run until October, and let's pick a Saturday, October 15th. Now our event, starting on July 2nd, will be displayed on every Saturday in July, August, September, and then finally all the way through October 15th, and then it stops.